And moving on to all the market news from the US, the tech-heavy Nasdaq surged on Tuesday, driven by robust performance from tech giants like Nvidia, while the Dow saw slight declines amidst cautious investor sentiment ahead of imminent inflation data. Nvidia, a leader in AI chips, rebounded strongly with more than 6.5% gain following a recent three-session downturn. Here's a report.
U.S. stocks ended mixed on Tuesday, with the Nasdaq rallying thanks to a rebound in shares of Nvidia. The Dow dropped 0.75%, the S&P 500 gained 0.4%, and the Nasdaq climbed 1.25%. After a three-session sell-off, AI chip leader Nvidia bounced back with a gain of more than 6.5%. That helped turn the tables for the major stock indexes a day after the Dow closed at a one-month high, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both slid. George Cipollone is portfolio manager at Penn Mutual Asset Management.
If you look at the markets are an exact reversal of what happened yesterday. And actually, the prior few days, we had actually had some hope because value stocks had started to do better again. Energy names, for example, financial names had done better than even tech. And so what we're seeing today is a complete reversal of that. All year has been a growth-dominated market, and today we're right back to it.
Among other tech names, shares of Alphabet and Meta Platforms both saw solid gains. Other movers included cruise operator Carnival, which gained more than 8.5% after raising its annual profit forecast for the second time this year. Dragging down the Dow were shares of retail giants. Home Depot shed 3.5%, while Walmart stock dropped 2% after the company's CFO flagged the second quarter as the, quote, most challenging quarter at an investor conference in London.
And staying with U.S. stocks, short sellers of Nvidia have profited nearly $5 billion in paper gains amid the AI chip designer's recent sharp decline over the past three trading sessions. More in this report.
Nvidia short sellers have raked in nearly $5 billion in profits, at least on paper, from the AI chip designer's sharp sell-off over the past three sessions. That's according to data analytics firm Ortex Technologies. The stock's meteoric rise culminated on June 18th, when Nvidia eclipsed Microsoft as the world's most valuable company. Short sellers saw the milestone as an opportunity to bet against the tech firm. Since then, Nvidia has handed the title of most valuable company back to Microsoft after a three-day slump in shares wiped $430 billion off its market capitalization. Some attributed Nvidia's sharp pullback to investors rotating out of high-flying AI stocks and into other sectors as 2024 approaches the halfway mark. Despite the declines, optimism around Nvidia's role in powering the artificial intelligence boom has driven the stock up 145% this year, the second-best performer on the S&P 500. Nvidia's recent slide ended Tuesday morning with shares rising roughly 5%.